Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Tkaczuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Well, let's talk about the equity markets. Equity markets might be a little bit vulnerable here, so it's important to review what levels we're looking at, and it might give us maybe a clue or market will tip its hat as to what it's going to do. More specifically, so S&P 500, as we talked about, it's right below that 3,000 level. It's having a little trouble there, a little bit of drama there going back and forth. So that's one thing we need to keep, just be aware of. The S&P needs to get above that 3,000 level. And similarly, at the same time, we can look at some individual leading stocks or widely held stocks. Stocks like Amazon failing at the 2,000 level. So that's not really a great sign. Again, we want to see that above 2,000. Facebook straddling that 200 level. Facebook has earnings this week. But again, you want to see Facebook above that 200 level. Apple's comfortably above its 200 level. Adobe's above 300. So these are just some of the widely held names. They need to kind of get over these levels and stay above those levels for the market continue to do well. We're looking at Microsoft. Microsoft had earnings last Thursday. Pretty good day Friday. Reversed those, settled on the lows. Today it's up a little. So again, that's another leading stock that tip you off to what's maybe going on in the market. So at the same time, too, you want to look at some new trades possibly. A lot of the software stocks have had a long run. They might be getting a little tired and exhausted. However, there are stocks that have been basing, kind of just coming out of those bases. Stock, for instance, like CyberArk, symbol CYBR. That's a leading stock just breaking out. Or a stock like MongoDB, that symbol is MDB. It's another one you might want to just take a look at. And of course, this week, a lot of headlines. The Fed meeting this week, traders are going to see how we're going to react to that. You might also want to take a look at gold mining shares, how they react to that Fed meeting. Also, we have a first look at the second quarter GDP this week. So that's going to kind of create a lot of drama. And of course, all the earnings. We have stocks like Snapchat reporting tomorrow, Facebook this week, and a few other big tech names. And that, again, is going to tell us which way the market's going to go. But the most important thing is, or if you want to kind of keep it simple, just keep an eye on those levels, the S&P to 3,000, and some of those widely held names like Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Adobe. See if they can stay above their kind of key levels, I'll call them, and that may give us a clue as to which way the market's going to go. So as always, that price and volume be your guide. This is George Tkaczuk, we're RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.